Hey everybody, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at our modular low pro stacking pocket door racks. So these are designed for small heights. These go from 2U to 6U in height. Traditionally, our side hinging pocket door racks are, they range from 8U to about 30U. So these are designed specifically for smaller and specifically modular applications. So the first thing that you may notice here about these racks is that the lids hinge from the top instead of the side. So this format goes through all of them. It's efficient to make these cases up to 6U. That is the maximum height so that the lid still goes into the top of the case, both front and rear. So looking at the stack here, this is a 2U rack. This one is a 3, a 4 with the lid closed, a 5, and a 6. And on the bottom here, this is a modular caster board that is sold separately. So you can basically build systems per your liking with any number of space increment shown here. These racks are designed with modular systems in mind, as I said earlier. They're specifically designed so that you can have a lot of flexibility with building systems and configuring shows in your shop, so that you don't have to rack and re-rack equipment with larger racks. So here are some of the highlights. As I said earlier, the lid comes in from the top and stores both front and rear. One of the interesting things about this particular series is the racks are mounted in slide tracks. So I loosened this one up before we started filming, so you can move the front and the mid and the rear rail independently of each other, and then all you need is just a standard Phillips head screwdriver to tighten it up, which I'm doing this one-handedly while holding my camera assembly, and it's pretty easy. So this is allowing a lot of flexibility based on whatever you're mounting. If you need more recess in the front or the rear, or you need to have a rear mount kit or a lacing bar or something like that come against the back of equipment for cable management, is very, very easy to do. You don't have to do that with preset holes. So the racks stack on each other with a combination of a few things. So this is our stacking cup. This is made here at LM out of 1/4-inch marine grade plastic. The racks are secured to each other with a valance spanning latch. These are, again, other protectors that are made here at LM. The valance spanning latch is inherently a bit problematic because when the cases aren't latched together, you have this latch portion which is sharp. So the best way that we can come up with to prevent that from either tearing up your hands or cases around it is to come up with these little bumpers. And then obviously once it's in use, it's not that big of a problem. This is spring-loaded, as you can see. We're using Penn Elcom deep recessed handles on everything per usual. The other thing that is unique about these particular racks is that the interior is white, and that is an intentional design choice. We do that also on our normal removable lid shock mount racks, and that's just for visibility. So, you know, if you, God forbid, have a problem during a show, and you're looking into the void of black cables and black equipment, the white will help just illuminate that rack inner. So if you were looking at it with a headlamp or a flashlight in your mouth, it just helps things out. The bottom caster board is made of a few pieces of material. So the top portion is 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch marine grade plastic laminated to each other. The bottom is a piece of 3/4-inch plywood. You of course get our normal Coulson 4-inch Ecoforma casters, and it also does have a strike to mate with a top case on the bottom. So these are designed to be mix and match. All of these cases are available on our website, or excuse me, our web store, lmcasesonline.com. They're all sold separately, so if you'd like to buy the caster board or you'd like to buy a couple of cases and then you find that you want to build your system, you can do that. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. We really do appreciate it. And if you'd like to see the purchase link for these specific racks, just check the link in the description below. Thanks so much.